Hi there, my name is Dan and I'm an Adobe certified instructor for Illustrator. In this video series, we're going to use Adobe Illustrator to build a web and UI design project together. Okay, we'll use a real world project. We'll start with our portfolio. Okay, you know the portfolio, the one that you've been planning to build forever but haven't got around to. Let's you and me build that now together. I've made this course for beginners. You don't really need any previous knowledge of Illustrator or any other design experience. We'll start with the super basics. It doesn't matter if you want to use Illustrator for app or web design, the techniques are the same. We'll go through the full user interface process. I'll show you how to use Illustrator to build a sitemap and then create your first wireframes. We'll then begin to design our mobile, tablet, and desktop site using website fonts, colors, and responsive images. We'll create our own custom icons and logos, learning how to use the pen tool and the amazing shape builder tool. By the time we're finished, you'll know exactly what's expected of you as a UI designer, delivering responsive Retina images and CSS code so that your wonderful web design is reproduced perfectly as a website. At the end of this tutorial series, okay, there is a project, okay, it's got set tasks that you need to do for a fake client, and you can use this as part of your portfolio to help build that out. It's kind of like homework, except I'm going to call it career development. All right, so it's time to upgrade your skills, get that better job, and impress the heck out of your clients. I don't know, they just start waving around when I start talking like I'm in a musical.